Hello friends, welcome back to Smartphone World. Asus Zenfone series are well known for their solid battery life. With Max Pro M2 we have the same 5000 mAh battery unit, and in this video we are going to do a complete battery drain test of Zenfone Max Pro M2. We will also check the temperature at regular intervals and see if there are any heating issues. It takes a lot of time and effort to make this video, so a like and a comment from you guys gives us the motivation to make more such videos. As you guys can see, Max Pro M2 is fully charged, Bluetooth location services are turned on and the phone brightness is set to 50%. Let's start the timer. We will start the battery drain test by running Antutu and Geekbench on Zenfone Max Pro M2. As we have the Qualcomm's best budget processor Snapdragon 660 on Max Pro M2, the benchmark scores should be pretty high. In Antutu, Zenfone Max Pro M2 scored 1,30,593, which is way higher than many budget smartphones. In Geekbench, Max Pro M2 scored 1482 in single core test and 5458 in multi-core test. Since Geekbench taxes only the CPU, we decided to run Antutu's 15-minute stress test on Max Pro M2. It took around 34 minutes to complete the benchmark round and the battery dropped by just 7% and the temperature of Max Pro M2 is at 33 degrees. Moving on, we will have a 1 hour Instagram session where I will be just browsing and watching Instagram videos and see how the battery performs. So all we did for the past hour is checking Instagram feed and videos. As it is not a power demanding task like benchmark, the overall temperature of the phone dropped by 1 degree. The battery on Max Pro M2 dropped by 9% and now is at 84%. The Instagram session will be followed by a 30 minutes browsing session where I will be browsing news articles of Android Authority website. So after 30 minutes of browsing test, the battery dropped by just 4% and the temperature of Max Pro M2 dropped even further and it's close to 31 degrees. Most of us spend at least 1 hour per day watching YouTube videos. We are going to simulate the same here and check how the battery performs. So all we did for the past hour is watch YouTube video and the battery dropped by just 5%. You guys do the math, at the same rate you can watch 2 seasons of Game of Thrones in a single charge, even then you will have considerable amount of battery left in Max Pro M2. If you are using Max Pro M2 for day-to-day tasks like browsing, watching YouTube videos, you need not bother about heating issues. It's 3 AM on the clock, so I will open Subway Surfers and leave it open for 4 hours. We will use Automatic Clicker app to simulate the touch input. After 4 hours and 45 minutes gaming session of Subway Surfers, the battery dropped by 55%. We are closing in on 8-hour mark on this battery drain test. By far, Max Pro M2 is the only phone to cross 8-hour mark in our battery drain test. Even after 5-hour long gaming session, the temperature is just close to 33 degrees. We will follow the Subway Surfer gaming session with the PUBG session at max brightness to quickly drain the battery. A lot of what we are doing here is more than how you might use your phone on a day-to-day basis. But I guess that's the point of this comparison. I am trying to simulate the extreme use case scenario here. If you were to push your phone to absolute limit, how long does it last? We maxed the graphics setting and turned HDR on. Adreno 512 does a good job in handling the graphics, but one can notice occasional frame drops in PUBG gameplay. So after 60 minutes of PUBG with maximum brightness, we finally reached the last leg of this battery drain test. The battery of Zenfone Max Pro M2 dropped by 16% and now is at just 4%. The temperature of the phone is gradually increasing and now is close to 35 degrees. A big thumbs up to Asus for managing the heat efficiently in Zenfone Max Pro M2. I am pushing the phone to extreme limits, even then the phone temperature did not cross 40 degrees. After 9 hours and 7 minutes, finally Zenfone Max Pro M2 calls it a day, and the temperature of the phone is close to 36 degrees. In my opinion, Zenfone Max Pro M2 has one of the best thermal management among budget smartphones. If you are an avid gamer who plays PUBG continuously for 5 hours, then Zenfone Max Pro M2 should be your only choice. If you are a normal user, Zenfone Max Pro M2 will easily last you for 2 long days. Can we call the Zenfone Max Pro M2 the battery monster of 2018? Share your thoughts on the comment section or in polls. Hope you guys find this video useful. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to Smartphone World for more tech videos. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video and you guys have a great day.